Show Daddy what a big girl. See? That one you don't even have to turn upside down. But she knows now that bottles you gotta turn upside down. So she does. That's a big girl. Yay! You're such a big girl. No. Let's not shake the food upside down. You're so beautiful. Hey, if you're gonna play with the food, Mama's gonna put it away. I thought you were hungry. You watching the cat? Will you say kitty? Show Daddy you can say kitty. Kitty? Kitty? It's upside down, dork. You're so smart. She's eating bananas and peaches. Peaches are kind of sour. She's not crazy about them by herself. So if I put banana in it, she'll eat it. She eats her peas with her carrots and her banana with her peaches. Oh, you heard the baby song? Hey. Thought you were eating. It's over, babe. That was the end. Charity, where's the kitty? Kitty. Is that food on your face?